Are you looking for a way to add some natural beauty to your garden? Banana trees are not only easy to grow, but they also add a tropical touch to your garden. They can come in a variety of colors, from green to yellow, and can even produce edible fruit. Plus, they are low maintenance and make a perfect addition to any garden. Don't wait any longer to add some natural beauty to your garden. Traditional advantages of banana trees. Nature's health-promoting gift. The most popular fruit is the banana, which comes in a variety of colors, sizes, and shapes. This golden fruit from the tropics is full of vital vitamins and minerals. Mythological importance. In actuality, Lord Vishnu is symbolized by the banana tree, which is regarded as one of the sacred trees. In auspicious rituals, banana leaves are tied to the pillars and food is served on them as a symbol of growth and renewal. The entire plant, including the stem, blossom, and leaves, is a source of therapeutic benefits, including the banana. Traditional banana tree benefits. The banana tree's flower. It tastes sweet and astringent. The characteristics include heavy, chili, and unctuous. The banana flower is an excellent source of flavonoids, proteins, and vitamins. This flower has been used traditionally to treat a variety of diseases, including ulcer and bronchitis. Banana tree stem. Stem juice relieves vata problems and quenches thirst. The so-called stem of the banana tree is removed during harvest. In actuality, the delicate interior of the stem can be used as a vegetable because this stem is very fibrous. It's important to properly clean the fiber yarn. This stem is used as a vegetable in South India and served with rice. It is highly advantageous because it is high in fiber. As a result, kidney stones are flushed out thanks to it. Banana tree leaves. In the southern region of India, utilizing banana leaves in daily life has a traditional appearance. They are used to serve food. Because of this, the banana leaf is revered as a sign of purity. Consequently, people think that a large dinner should be served in this leaf. This leaf juice's benefit is that it soothes sore throats. Additionally, it is beneficial for treating skin irritability, burns, and other minor wounds. Banana peel. It is sometimes referred to as skin. In actuality, it is abundant in phytochemical antioxidants called carotenoids and polyphenols. Banana peels are shown to have greater antioxidant benefits than ripe bananas, according to studies. In addition, the antioxidant lutein found in banana peels reduces oxidative stress. Additionally, it eliminates free radicals from the skin and other regions of the body. Bananas provide a number of health benefits, including excellent for students because of the high potassium content, which enhances alertness. Very good for anemia because of the high iron content, which boosts hemoglobin formation in the blood. Actually, this fruit is sometimes referred to as a brain tonic because they are healthy and low in sodium. Bananas are a good choice of snack for persons with high blood pressure. Also, as they balance stomach acidity, they are used to treat ulcers, and the stomach walls cannot be irritated by the soft and smooth fruit. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to get regular updates on my channel.